Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing plants. First, let's draw the pot. This is the first plant. Just draw a rectangle, and then we're going down, slightly tilted, and then connect the lines. And draw another rectangle. That's the first pot. Let's draw the plants. Just draw the leaves like this, as many as you want. And now let's draw another pot. We're gonna make it very simple, just a square or any shapes you want for the pot. And we're gonna draw the leaves just like this. Now let's make it more exciting with patterns. So this is the patterns of the leaves on the left plant. And for the plants on the right, just draw the lines inside the leaves. That's the pattern. Just like this. It's very easy, right? And now it's done. We are ready to color. We're just gonna color the plant shades of green. And for the pot, I'm gonna use green, yellow, and orange, but you may use another color that you like. Now it's done. They look so beautiful, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.